What's up, welcome guys back to today's video, and today I am going to show you how to make from this type of game, you can't even click it, to a massive encoded game where you have loads of types of really cool effects. And yeah, so let's begin. First of all, let's make the basic version and then we'll carry on from that. So when flag clicked, when the sprite clicked, we're probably going to need these, but change my variable. Let's just rename that one. Well, we're going to end up making it a coin clicker, so let's name it coins. So, and set coins to 0, because we want a way of gaining coins and losing coins. So we gain them, and then if we log out and log back in, we get 0. Or just don't include this piece of code and it will be an autosave. So yippee. Okay, that's the most basicest version we could ever make. So we're going to make it a lot better. So go ahead and delete your sprite and then go onto paint, get a circle and grab a good colour for like a cookie or whatever type of one you're making. But the variables will be on mine about a cookie. So if we can just get it to the perfect thing, fill it up with that. Let's just do that. You'll understand in a sec why I did that. And then we'll just make that a little bit darker. There. That is that was embarrassing. Don't worry, I'll get this cookie done quickly, hopefully. Hold shift down and again press on this. Oh my god, why does it keep losing it? There. Hold down the shift button on the circle and hold it down and you get a good circle. I think I've got to make that a bit lighter. There, yeah. Now what's a cookie without chocolate chips? Let's make some. Or if you're allergic to chocolate, then just make something else. But I'm making chocolate chips for mine. Okay, hopefully these effects later on should get you some views. So, good luck if you're making a new game, because this would be the right guide for you. And just to make sure, let's name it Cookie. Okay, now let's code it to make it a little bit better. So, let's make like an effect of like rotation, because this is gigantic actually. I've just realised this is so big. And it's so ugly. So what's this boy doing? Let's move that down. And there. Looks a little bit better. I'll say that for sure. But when flag clicked, then we have our coins. So set coins to 0. And then just to make sure, go to X coordinates, because you want it to go right to the middle. So just set it like this and you have that sort of thing, but we're not even close to the finish because we can't even click the cookie right now. Oh yeah, I set it to coins. You know what, don't mind me. Actually, this is going to be a cookie game. I just realised I set it to coins. There. Okay. Get a forever loop, because you want it to forever do this. And then follow this command. First of all, get a set Y block, put it up there. And then, right. So you're going to want to get, these are all the blocks that you'll need. A plus block, a timer block, which is somewhere around here, like that. A sin block, sorta. Set that to sin. And then set it to like one of these. Also get one of them. And then one last thing. Actually, that's about it. So yeah, I think you might need 2 of these. But let's just get to it. So 100. Actually, wouldn't it be better to set this part? Well, whatever it is, we should do it now. Where? Okay, so according to this, we have. Oh, I can't do this properly. So duplicate this, turn that one into a plus. The plus one, put a 0 here. And then get rid of that. Put a 7 in there. Alright. I'm trying to think, did we go from the top to the bottom or the bottom to the top? Because that goes together. And then that, oh yeah. Sorry about that. And then that goes on that. And then that goes on top of, not that, that. Yep, I got it. Got it. Sorry about that, by the way. As I was saying before. Had to remember the code. So set Y to, and then now pretty much just copy the exact same command, but change this one to 90. We don't need the Y for this one. So come up to motion and grab a pointing direction. This will also help your game get more views, and possibly people will see your game. Right, just press the flag, and as you see, your coin or whatever waves. Most likely a cookie though, well that waves. And now let's just do this little thing. It will be like a bouncing effect. Might not look the best at the start, but it will if you do this exact command. Took me days to master this. Just touch and mouse effect. Set size. Actually, I should have it in my backpack. Yeah. Okay. So just copy this one down. And I'm just going to do some moderations to that. Okay. Now let's put that in there. That is the first piece of command. Now when you hover your mouse over it or cursor, it like expands. It should get yourself some more viewers, or it should get you some more viewers. Now also, next thing, get a when sprite clicked, change cookies by 1 because you want a way of gaining cookies, and then set size to, oh whoops, no, not that, duplicate, put that up there, change that to 125. That's what I got used to at least. Shrinks it and grows it back again. And then now, what's a game without a like way of hearing it? Well, we could use that one, or we could use one of these. I prefer the coin, even though the crunch would suit this more. The coin sounds better, a lot better. Comment down below what sounds better, the crunch or the coin. It just goes with it more. I'm gonna go for the coin. Okay. Now let's get on to a new part, because we have a good game and all, but well, we could make it 100 times better. We could make it rain cookies. So if you want, just copy this command, or just zoom to the end, because this might take a bit because it's a big command. So when flag clicked, go to X. You want it to go to the middle. Set ghost effect. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, set ghost effect to, I would say, nah, 50. Yeah, 50 would do. Set size to, again, 50, because you want it to be half. Oh, yeah, that's not good. I think that's a scripting of what they actually do. Yeah, that's better. Okay, it might lag out like this, but it's okay. Don't touch it like I did. I might have to refresh it. Set. Get 2 of them. Now you're going to want to make a new variable. X speed clone. Oh, rename variable. Actually, just delete that one. Make it again, because we've got something special to put it for this sprite only. Okay, make a Y speed color and do the same. Set X speed clone and Y speed clone to put the Y speed clone to 10, and then come to operators and get a pick random. I would say 10. I mean, you're going to want to put -10. That's different parts of the coordinates. Now we've done that, we just need to put the variables off. So let's just yoink them off. Now, okay, let's focus. Let's get the forever blocking. Point in direction, which is in motion. Point in direction. Change X by, because you want to change the X by the pick random, and then get to change Y by. You want to get to change Y by 10, because that will rotate it. Well, that'll rotate these like droplet thingies that we're gonna get, and yeah, they are thingies. Y speed clone, duplicate. Let's get one of them in each, and then get an X speed clone in the middle. And last but not least, get a change Y speed clone. So Y speed clone by -1. Okay. Now click your flag. Okay. Or let me just run through that again. So you know what? I think I know what's missing. We forgot this one thing. I'm so dumb. It's not that big of a deal though. Just put a create clone of myself in when sprite click. Then you have raining ones. But let's just focus here. We have a problem. All of these are just swimming at the bottom of our page. So let's just do a really quick command. This one shouldn't be as long, so this one should be fine to sit through. When I start as a clone forever, if touching edge, because that would mean like touching any part of the edge, like here, here, or here. So touching the edge, then wait 0.05 seconds, like that, and then delete this clone. That's it. Okay. Now looks like we've pretty much done all the code we need to for the cookie. If you want to stick around for this part, well, as you see, they disappear. But again, if you want to stick around for this last part, you don't have to. But it would boost your game up a lot. So let's just make like a little shop. This one will only take a sec. It's literally only, I don't know why I keep saying literally, but yeah. It's only customizing this part. We're gonna like probably make a background, shop, and make buttons. Oh, that outline's goofy. Let's change it. Okay. We have pretty much drawn our shop. Just like that. Okay, wait. If I can't do that... Oh yeah, you gotta stay on this. Keep making mistakes. So just go onto this corner and delete it. You have yourself a little curve, which you can bring that down to show it off to your viewers. And hopefully when you publish this game it will get famous. So let's just put like a shop. Also, this took me about an hour and a half to plan, so hope you like it. But didn't take so long to make the video as it did to plan. Okay, so that's our shop complete. Now the next part is, well, that's the shop done. And again, the next part is to make the button. So it just needs to be like a little basic one. The outline can be black, and the fill can be any colour. I'm not going to actually. I'll put it in a very light blue, but I'm not going to put it in blue just because of this colour here. There. Okay, now final step, just write it and do the command. Also, this is a new skill that I'm learning as well. It's to make it so you click more. So +1 clicks. Cost. I'm gonna make the cost not 109, 10. It'll just be 10. What this will do is when you get 1, but when you press this you'll get 2 and 3 and such and such. So this code should be very quick. So when this sprite clicked, if, where's the if? Where's the if? Where's the if? There. Now for this you need one of these, and one of these. Make sure to put this one just one lower. So the cost is going to be 10. So put 9 for that one. And then put 10 for that one. Over 10, then it's going to expect you to get 11, which is not going to be good. So yeah, that's bad. Oh, actually, let's just name it button 1, just to make sure. So when you've done that, we need to make a new variable called cookie change. Also, just gonna question this, where's our other variables gone? Oh yeah, you can only access them on this one. I got confused. Meh. So cookie changes up, and we need to add that to our starting thing. Change. Cookie change by 1. Change cookies by negative. And then the price. So -10. You have a button, but if when we click the flag, you shouldn't actually be able. Well, change that to cookie change, like here in the cookie area. And now you can't gain anything, right? Well, you're wrong, because now we're gonna set. Oh, we're gonna put a set block here. Set cookie change to 1. So no matter what the cookie change is, when you well, whatever the cookie change is, the amount of clicks you do, and then press this. I think we could add some bounce to that. So pretty much just copy a command. Okay, so how do you click the cookie? You duplicate that, and you duplicate that. Let's try and code them. Okay. When this sprite clicked, you know, actually, we're not going to add the bounce effect, because it just looks weird. Which is normal. Now, let's just do one more thing, which is, if I believe, we can add a more simpler command. Or what was the command in my mind again? What was I thinking of? Well, first of all, we can add a sound. Well, we'll just do that pretty much. So as you see, it worked. Well, that's really good. But still, we could add some effect to that. Oh yeah, I remember it. When flag clicked, and this is the final part of this until the video ends. So let's just do that, put that in there, then set, duplicate, put that there, ghost effect 50. Let's put 50 in there. Oh wait. So if cookies are over 9, oh wait, maybe, yeah, I've done it right. I think I've done it right, at least. I think it's forever. No, that's switched around. there you go, we have it. Sorry about that, I just needed to code that. But thank you for watching, and if you can, please subscribe and watch these next videos on screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.